Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering off the phone and removing the SIM tray so nothing moves. Once done, heat the screen edge to soften adhesive and hold the phone face up. Make sure to use a suction handle near the bottom and insert a thin pick at the gap. Gently pry around the lower third, lifting the display just enough to see the internals. Do not hinge the screen past 90 degrees. This gives you safe access to the screws and shields you'll remove next. Once the display is open, immediately remove the metal shield over the connectors and disconnect the battery to prevent shorts. Next, unplug the display, digitizer, and front camera/sensor cables in order. You're preserving those fragile ribbon connectors, so use a plastic spudger and pry gently. Keep screws organized by location and size because mixing them can damage components. If your model has adhesive strips or a shield for the Face ID, you now transfer the earpiece, front camera, sensors, and any metal brackets to the replacement display, matching each part's position exactly. Once transferred, reconnect the display cables and then reconnect the battery, pressing each connector flat until it clicks. Reinstall the metal shield and return screws to their original holes. Power the phone on and test touch response, display brightness, cameras, and Face ID. If the screen is unresponsive or shows artifacts, check connectors are fully seated and free of debris before final resealing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.